Hi, my name is Beth Rice, and this is Amanda Schneider. We want to tell you about MDE-LIO's brand new reading kits for children who are deaf or hard of hearing.
We created these reading kits with books and ideas for you to have fun reading and playing together. Each reading kit has everything you need for family fun, and the kits are available for free.
Families can go to our website to borrow a reading kit. Go to mdelio.org, click on the Family Support tab at the top, then click on the DHH Family Support. Scroll to the DHH Reading Kits link, and all the steps to order a kit are listed right there.
The reading kit will be shipped directly to your house. When you open it, you will find everything you need to get started: a book, the info sheet, activity ideas, and supplies. You can keep it for up to 4 weeks. Then send the book back with the prepaid shipping label, and you can keep the rest.
If you use American Sign Language at home, there are videos that go along with each book. Go to Deafblind Central's website, dbcentral.org, to watch videos of the books being signed in ASL. Or you can watch their vocabulary videos so you can learn some words to sign while reading with your child.
Also included in the kit is a list of tips for reading other books with your child. Continue to check the MDE-LIO website as we add content and expand our reading kit library.
Reading with your child is one way to encourage literacy, and it's also a lot of fun.
We hope your family enjoys the time spent reading and playing together.